Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. Now see the question. Here I just changed the number. Okay. So it is saying the same that sigma is your 0, 1. You have to interpret as a binary number. But now it should be divisible by either 6 or 8. Okay. Now I change the number. Okay. So your sigma is your that 0, 1 only. So you have to interpret it as a binary number. But now you have to accept the set of all strings which is divisible by either 6 or 8. So similarly you can write the numbers, then you will get the idea like 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So till now, then 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 like this. So till 24 I am writing. See, 0 is the number which is divisible by both 6 and 8. So we have to accept that. Now you need to accept 6 divisible by 6, 12 divisible by 6, 18 divisible by 6. So 6, 12, 18, then 24 divisible by 6. Now 8 divisible by 16, 8, 16, 24. Now see, 24 is the number which is divisible by both 6 and 8. Even 0 is the number which is divisible by both 6 and 8. So here also you got an idea that there will be some number which is divisible by only 6 and some number which is divisible by only 8 and some number which is divisible by both 6 and 8. So how to know the numbers which is divisible by both 6 and 8? So again here we need to find the lowest common multiple LCM. So LCM of 6 and 8 is your 24 only. So LCM of 6 and 8 is your 24. So here you need to construct a minimal DFA, okay, which will for a sigma over 0, 1 which will accept set of all string over 0, 1 divisible by 24. Divisible by 24. For 24 we have to construct. Now how to do? We will see now. So for a number which is divisible by 24, we need to construct a minimal DFA. So since if you divide it, you are going to get 24 states. See, here you will not able to apply the formula because it is not only we will make the if you want to only accept divisible by 24, then you can apply the formula like divisible by 2, do the quotient, and then you will get it. But the thing is here that you need to also know the remainder, that when it is q6, when it is q8, means when the remainders which is divisible by 6, that state also you need to make the final state. That's why you should not apply here shortcut, okay, because you require this state which will indicate that remainder is divisible by 6, the remainder is divisible by 8. Okay, let me write, then it will be more clear. So state will go from q0, q1, q2, q3, q4, then q5, q6, q7, then q8, then it will go q9, q10, q11, q12, q13, q14, q15, q16, q17, then so these are the continue, okay, it's not like another delta, it's like continue because I don't have a space, so I am writing in different part. So 18, q19, q20, then q21, q22, then q23. Okay, so you require how many states? 24 states, 0 to 23. So sigma is 0, 0, 1, then q0, q1, q2, q3, then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, So in GATE exam, they are not going to ask you to construct that. They will only ask you the minimal number of states. So minimal number of states you will apply 24. That is going to be your answer. Just I am showing you why you should not apply the shortcut here. Okay, because it is not only saying that divisible by 24. Divisible by 24 as well as divisible by 6 as well as divisible by 8. That's why we are not applying the shortcut. Now Q4, then Q5, Q6, Q7, Q8, Q9, Q10, 11, then Q12, Q13, Q14, Q15, Q16, then Q17, Q18, then Q19, Q20, Q21, Q22. So as I have told you, when you will write like this, if you are writing correctly, then the state Q0 will be in the beginning and the highest remainder state will be at the last. So since you need to accept the numbers which is divisible by 6, 8 or 24, so Q0 you have to make the final state because it is divisible by 24. So if it is divisible by 24, then it is divisible by both 6 and 8. Now if you are getting, if any number if you take like 30, if you do divide by 24, what remainder you are going to get? 6. So if you are getting any remainder which is divisible by 6, then that number is divisible by 6. So here 6 you got remainder divisible by 6, 12, 18. Okay. Now similarly for 8, 16, like this. Okay. So how many states here you are getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 final states you are getting. In total states you are getting here 24. So only in GATE exam they will ask what is going to be the minimum number of states and what is going to be the total number of final states. So final state you are getting here is 6.